What is going on? Lunar Beaches Crypto says, how many times are we going to be listening to this track instead of your beautiful voice? Can't get enough of your love. What's going on? How are we doing? We are flying. Holy smokes, we are flying. Hope you all had an amazing weekend. Thank you so much for dropping by. I appreciate every single one of you. French Toaster in the chat saying hola, hola. I don't do the holas as good as Sin City Crypto over there, but you know what? We say hola anyways. It's a Canadian saying hola. What do you expect, okay? What's up, Lunar Beaches Crypto, friend of the channel. Go check out his channel. My man, much love. Thank you for dropping by. We will have to schedule something. I mean, we've just been busy getting set up in Canada, but we will schedule something for sure. Army Piper dropping on by. Thank you so much for your support, Piper. I appreciate you dearly. Investment Bros, go check them out. Great show over there. Awesome. So, enough of my face. Because you've had enough of my face. You want to see what is going on in these charts. But, oh my God, have we pumped overnight. And you know what's upsetting is when you're in a long and you're scalping the range and you don't hold on to that beautiful hola. I can't do it, man. Can't do it. Oh. It's when you're in a beautiful long, you catch the wick, you want to ride it up, and then scammy wick comes down and gets you just before it pumps to the moon. Am I in 4K now? I've got it all maxed out, man. I've got the maxed out settings. Hopefully it's nice. I got a new computer, so I got that NVIDIA broadcast. Thank you to Cipher for showing me how to set up the broadcast so I can do the green screen thingy behind me, which is pretty cool. I mean, I'm not tech savvy. I'm a carpenter by trade, baby. I just make trades. I work in the trades, and I pay myself early. Maybe I paid myself a little bit too early this time. Everybody's saying 28K, 28.4. Oh, you guys are bullish, man. We got this beautiful bullish candle here. We got the wick down. Ignore this Bybit wick, okay? We got this wick down here. And we 35K inbound. Holy smokes. I hope you guys bought down here. I definitely bought down here, so I hope you guys are still remaining bullish long term, buying these fall downs where we get beautiful areas to buy some more. You know what I mean? Jelly bean. Okay, so my otter's pointing down and to the right. I'm looking for a little bit of retracement now. We'll get into that for sure, but I just wanted to make sure that you're aware of this weekly bullish candle, and obviously this candle, we're flying up right now for this week. This can change, obviously, but this one here is looking quite stellar, okay? We had this bear div. That has played out, and now the interesting thing is VWAP's coming up to the zero line. We got the potential green dot printing hasn't printed yet. It isn't confirmed on the market Cipher B. When we have posturing to the upside for once in our lives on the weekly market Cipher B. So this is all positive news. Now, I'm currently in a short. I'm not going to lie. I'm currently in a short. I'm laddering in. Okay. Not a lot, but I'm laddering in. You may think I'm crazy, but you know what? In and out. Quick scalp. We'll see how it works out. We'll be trading during the live stream. Right now, we are not in profit. We got in at 27,340, okay? We'll see how it works out throughout the stream. But it is a small position, okay? I'm not throwing a big chunk at it right now. We are in an uptrend. We are pumping, and you guys may think I'm crazy, but I see a little bit of a cool off after this pump while we slept overnight on Sunday night. They love to get us during while we sleep, don't they? They do. They're just like, you know what? I'm going to make sure that you're sleeping when we make these moves on you. Okay? I wanted to shout out the Discord as well. Okay, I took the trade. I told you I took the trade yesterday. My entry was at 26,415. And I got out at 26,517. Now, if you look at my Bybit chart, it is it was a great entry. It was a good setup. It worked out nicely. It was right here. Oopsie. Okay. It was right here. I took this. First dip here. Let's go into the nitty-gritty of it. And we'll show you the trade. It was right here. Boom. We took the trade from here. And then we got out here. Exactly here. I felt like it wasn't going anywhere. And then it kaboom-dud. Okay? It kaboom-dud, and it would have knocked me out. So I'm glad I took the profit. You can't be regretful on paying yourself. No one went broke paying yourself, as they say. So yes, I got in at this wick. I paid myself here. But, you know, it was 8 o'clock. I was having dinner with the family. My auntie came over. You know, we were having a nice dinner. And a wick down. And that would have been another entry that we would have been waiting for. But we were busy with family. And guess what? This happened. Okay? This is what happens sometimes. And you got to be okay with it. Because you paid yourself the first time. Sometimes you won't catch the big trade. But as long as you're practicing good risk management, paying yourself early, practicing a healthy, good mindset before coming to the charts with a plan, you're able to extract profits from this market. You may not catch this monstrous move. And yes, I would have loved to catch this monstrous move, but I didn't. But that's okay. I did do a successful, good little swing trade on the weekend because you don't expect that much volume. So it is what it is. I don't like that saying much, but we definitely got some profits yesterday, okay? Now, we're not like Jonathan Cipher. Now, we want to shout out Jonathan Cipher because the man is in a monstrous trade, okay, from 25-120. This man is in a monstrous trade, and we love you, Cipher, on this channel. Thank you for always supporting the channel. 787%. Man's making the bag, okay? Man's making the bag. Shout out to Kyle. Kyle's making some nice gains as well. He's caught the trade up. Congratulations, Kyle. Congratulations, Sniper Nightmare, camping out, doing the van life. Much love to you, man. Stay safe out there. So, thank you so much for being here. And oh yeah. Check out David here. He's up 171% to entry at 26,250. That is a beautiful trade. Good job, David. Congratulations. Pay yourself, my friend. Pay yourself, my friend. That is awesome. Okay, that is awesome. I love to see you guys winning. So, what can we do with this? Where can we trade this? We want to jump into a long? Possibly, right? Might not be the greatest idea after such a move, right? 3% move total? Yeah. Wow. Okay. So we'll flip through Market Cipher B. We'll look at the range here. We have a range. The otter is pointing down and to the right. Maybe just not so steeply. Maybe a little bit of retrace here with the otter down and to the right. Market Cipher, green dot, weekly, wanting to push up. Now, I was going through, and I think all these 5 days confirmed. Okay, all these daily time frames are confirmed, and the posturing is to the upside. Okay, so what does that mean? That's pretty bullish. We are at the midpoint here on the Market Cipher B with the stochastics posturing to the upside, curving up, green dots. VWAP has crossed over, so this is my big indication. Here's the VWAP has crossed over, so it does look to grab some more. Okay, as it climbs up this beautiful wall of worry. Okay, so it's climbing. We need to be cautious, so because where can we want to look for? Where can we look for a short? Everybody's screaming 28.4, 35K. We got 28K. So we got a whole bunch of ideas here, which is good. Okay. Now, before this became the point of control, this was the point of control where we're not currently at, but this 28K. Look at this. This is a big, juicy area, okay? If we follow this over, there's a big, juicy area. We have the wick from before, okay? So we need to be very cautious of this area. But what is this area to us right now, right? So we can pull some fibs. If we want to pull fibs, we can pull fibs, right? But we'll get into that soon. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you guys for your support. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We're coming to you guys live every morning now, 8:45, 9 a.m. You know, I got up early Monday morning. I was all excited. I saw the price moving. And you know how we get when we see price moving. but we're not FOMOing in. We're not FOMOing in, but we want to catch them gains, okay? So let's flip through here. We're very much oversold when we get into the 2-day and the daily, okay? So this beautiful curvature on the money flow tells me that we're looking to pierce up, okay? We want to see it pierce up. On the daily, same thing. We want to see it pierce up, okay? VWAP is above the 0 line here, and we're posturing to the upside with the stochastics, and we have confirmed green dots that are looking to continue this move up. Now, we have resistances along the way. We know this range has been dreadful, okay? Has been very dreadful. We have a couple of trend lines to look at. So we can simply pull this one here, and we could say, oh, we need to get above this, right? That would be good. Or we could say something like this. Now, we could say we never got it. We're breaking out now, okay? So there's a couple of trend lines that we can look at and say, oh, there's possible breakout happening here, or we're possibly coming up to resistance, okay? Got stopped out. FOMO shorting. anyone who's small loss will look for a short higher on long retrace now. Yep. So I'm currently in a short at 330. All right. It's a small position. Not trying to break the bank with this one. Darren does things in the chat, man. DDT, hope you're doing well, my brother. Good to see you. Good to see you. We're just going through trying to find some levels for the Otter Gang here so we can trade this massive move, and it is a massive move nonetheless. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the Dixie, the ES. You know what? We had some nice trade setups this week, and we gave trade setups, and they didn't play out perfectly, but the entries were on point. Okay. On Adam, it's broken out here. Cass is broken out here. So yeah, we did give some good trade setups, but it didn't go all the way to our initial take profit. Link's breaking out like mad. Okay, so let's continue here with Bitcoin. So everybody's saying 28K, so we'll keep that highlighted. We'll keep it highlighted. Now there's some fibs to be pulled here. The question is where you pull the fibs from. Do you pull it down to this one here? And you get this area here? Do you pull it from here down to here? So to me, there's a 786 here. There's volume here. This is the last kind of stop of volume, and then you got 28K above us, okay? So if we do pop off through here, 28K is the next stop. So I do agree with the chat. Lunar Beach is crypto paid himself for sure. My man holding the trades. You know, it's not easy to hold the trade open, okay? It is important to pay yourself, though. Move that stop loss to entry kind of deal. If you got the clearance, right? If you got the clearance. Sometimes it can bite you in the butt. That's all I'm saying. Sometimes that stop loss to entry can bite you in the butt if you don't give yourself if you don't give your trade setup enough room to breathe. Okay? Got to give it room. Got to give it room. So it's almost 9 o'clock now. How was your guys' weekend? We got a little poll going on here. What would you rather? Would you want your dream wife? That's at 0%. Nobody wants a dream wife. A big community. Nobody wants a big community. People want to travel the world for free. And a lot of people want 10 BTC. Okay. I would go with the dream wife first, okay? I have my dream wife. I'm winning there. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but you know, I have a pretty good lady. I'm pretty honored to have such a lovely lady in my life. Makes my life a lot easier and smoother. Nothing like a good lady to make your life better. Weekend was good. Darren does things. He said he painted and did it DIY around the house. My man. I love the DIYers out there. I'm a carpenter by trade, so if you're DIYing, kudos to you. As soon as I came home, I found my imperial tape measure. I found that imperial tape measure, and I went and measured something in inches. We won't talk about what we measured in inches, okay? Oh wait, that's too big. Yeah, that's pretty good. So we got home. We're currently doing some electrical, fixing a lamp. That's what we're doing. Got to cut down some trees this week, and we also got to change the sink for my grandparents. The faucet's a bit stuck in. We went and got them another sink so we can replace that for them. So they got the sprayer handle and all the attachment things. So I'm gonna be a plumber, an electrician, and a arborist this week. I'll be doing all the work, and I'll be smiling while doing it because it's great to be service to the people that you love, right? It's great to be service to the people that you love. It's an honor. You know, you notice how it's so easy to do a deed for the people that you love rather than yourself. So don't forget to fill up your cup first. Be kind to yourself so that you can fill up other people's cups. You got to pour from your cup into their cup in order to make everybody's cup full. You know, fill up that life juice, okay? I'm very grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for being here, part of this community, smashing that like button, subscribe, and all that good stuff. You guys are top notch, man. So we're watching this range here. This range has been painful, in my opinion. It's been choppy. It's been weaning a lot of people out. It's been getting hopium all the way up top here, right? Then it's been getting everybody and their brother fearful, right? Wanting to dump on our asses. I'm too poor to not do DIY projects. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one. We got. I like to call them DIY projects for myself too, because then I don't have to hold myself to like a standard of a tradesman. I can be like, okay, that was not bad for a homeowner. Shout out to the Big Coffee. I made 2 coffees this morning because the last time we made coffee, we ran out, and that's unacceptable, in my opinion. So we're going to watch that. So stops along the way. That's what we're talking about here, stops along the way. We do have news coming out this week. Now, what's the Dixie doing? Whew, the Dixie's looking to pump, man. I'm telling you, the Dixie is not done. The Dixie is not done. We got this 105 to crack. Once we crack the Dixie 105 here, maybe then we look for the retrace. And once we get that crack and that retrace, this is my Bitcoin thesis to where it's going to pump. Okay, but I think the Dixie's still got some pumping to do, so we might see, a lot of people holding dollars and not so much Bitcoin, right? For now. Look at the ES, okay? The ES has dropped it like it's hot since opening. So, we should go over and check futures as well. Shorts will be used as rocket fuel. Whew. We'll see, man. We'll see. We'll see. I mean, I bought down here, so my hodl bag or whatever you want to call it, it's very happy right now, okay? It's very happy. Oh, yeah. We were going over to futures, CME futures. We ain't gapping, man. We ain't gapping. Okay. That's not a gap, is it? Is that a gap, David? Tell me that's not a gap down here. Is that a gap at 20? Just don't tell me this is. Don't tell me this is a little gap that needs to be filled. If this is true, that would be hilarious. Look at this rocket ship, man. Look at this. 27,395. We flying, man. We flying. It's almost like we just want to watch price action here. Hoo-wee. We got the 786 stop above us here. My short ain't looking too good. Down 10% right now. Poof. Down 10%. That's okay. It's coming down, man. It's coming down, man. Oh, the trend is your friend until it dumps, okay? We're catching tops, okay? Not so well right now. That's why it's not financial advice. And that's why you all have good risk management, right, my friends? Doubtful, not on a 30-minute time frame. It's no gap. It's no gap. I agree. Bitcoin dominance, is it dropping? No. Not yet. Total 3 is looking a little bit more healthy. Making higher lows. That's pretty good indication here. Definitely got to be careful. So let's go through the nitty-gritty of Bitcoin here. We got the pump up. Daily looks bullish. We're making higher lows and higher highs, okay? Those three white knights pattern down below. We got that beautiful thing. This wheel here, change it to electronic, went on ES. Okay, we'll try that after as we go through Bitcoin here. We got the green dot trying to print. Oof. Look at this beautiful rocket ship. God candle. Who's in a long, man? You guys got to be in longs. You guys got to be killing it. I'm so proud of the community. So many people making great trades. I mean, I've been doing really well with my trades as well. I've been trying to give you guys the setups in the Discord in advance. And I think I've done all right with that. I made a good Atom call the other day. I was thanked for that, which I appreciate. The thank yous. You know, giver's gain, man. Always trying to give it away. Always trying to give it away. Short's going to be rocket fuel for this move. We'll have to see. End of September rally. Beautiful to see. Beautiful to see. Beautiful to trade. So as we flip through here, we can see that the daily here is pushing up. We are not oversold yet. No trigger has been hit. Beautiful curvature on the money flow. VWAP's posturing to the upside. Everything's posturing to the upside. Obviously, after this move, massive, right? When we get into like the 12-hour, we can see that we're above and we're oversold now. So this is where I start to think, okay, can we curl over here, get a nice retracement, and then continue on our way, right? Continue on our way. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Healthy market structure, okay? To me, this isn't healthy, okay? This is a curvature here, and then a pop. So I didn't see any healthy kind of ziggy zag, okay? This don't look healthy to me. Okay, I'm looking for a rejection here. If we don't get above this high here, we need to be aware. If we don't get above this high here, we're going back down. We're going back down. We need to get above here. That's why there's a big, beautiful purple and red box above us, okay? We need to get above here. Flip it to support and continue our way up. Until we get above here. Davey knows it. I'm a bear, man. I'm a bear. I'm a bear. Roar. I'm a bear. I'm an otter. Whatever you want to call me. Just call me happy and free. Let's get those likes up. Thank you guys so much for being here. I know the guys are busy. We're in a short right now. Yo, watch me go. Watch. I don't want to be like I told you so. But I do want to be like I told you so, okay? So we're looking to cool off here, okay? Massive move. We're going to get the market open, okay? Dixie's going to move one way or the other. ES has dumped, okay? So we're going to watch the S&P when it does open. Where are we going to gap to? That's what I initially want to see. And then I want to see if we're going to continue upwards here. We got to see we don't want to gap below this low here, okay? We don't want to gap below this low. We want to gap up and work our way down. That would be healthy for my short. Not for Bitcoin. That would bring us down, in my opinion. Okay. We got to fill above us, so maybe we start up here. We'll have to wait and see when we open, right? The ES has curled over. It's curled over, but we're starting to get a little bit of a pushback here. So we'll keep our eyes on this as market opens. Bitcoin here is fighting. It's fighting, and it wants to roll over, in my opinion. Okay? Right now, maybe not. But we'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. So the 4 hour here, very oversold. Look at this. Like we're peaking, right? I want to see a healthy market structure here. I want to see us making more of a ziggy-zaggy pattern. Like, as much as I love this, and you can see there's, we could go lifer on this, and we can say, there's a beautiful flag here, and we broke out, and the measured move, and all that stuff. Okay, great. Great. That's not, I trade the levels, and I'm trying to catch the short now, right? I think we're very much oversold. We need to get above these highs here. If we fail to do that, I see us coming back down, at least to retest this middle line here. Okay, at least. Right? That would be healthy. If we did something like that, possible long entry here, coming back to the resistance, right, of the range. If we go out here, we can pull our beautiful fixed range volume profile from the side here, and we can see a retest of this volume pocket right here would be healthy, right? And that would be a retest of these highs. Just an idea. Just an idea. Our trade's in profit now. Our trade's in profit. Do I close it? Nah, I got to stick to my word, man. I got to stick to my word. We're up 2%. Let's go. Maybe I should close it, eh? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Press a 1 for keep it open or a 2 for close it. Scammy price action, if anything. Don't forget, oversold means PA this is weak. Price action is over weak. Overbought means PA is strong, meaning it can sustain bullish/bearish PA for a while. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love it. I said I was looking for short. We shorting, waiting at 27,348. See, I'm transparent. I'm always honest with you guys. I don't like when I say that I'm always honest, because people who normally say that they're always honest aren't honest. So I'll keep my mouth shut and just continue to share and be transparent with you friends over here. That's the 1. 1 and 2. We got a 1 and a 2. We got mixed signals over here. We got mixed signals. This is coming back, man. This is coming back. I'm telling you. Cool down, Bitcoin. Not your sandwich, man. Back off. Get your own sandwich, bro. Back off. Get your own sandwich. So, yeah, we do have the volume up here. See, like, I like to play around with the volume as well. I'll pull, like, this fixed ranged in here. Just to have a wee peek of, like, where the price is going to react. Okay, that's pretty cool. If you're just pulling this peak here, Okay, you mark out this peak here. You bring it straight across. Now let's go and see where it is with price action. Oh, man. You're pretty much bang on with the short here. It's crazy how things just align with volume. Love it. Love it. Just posted order flow in Discord if you want to pull it up. Small short-ish squeeze and sell walls above us. Let's take a look, my man. Thank you for sharing. Okay. David, you're gonna have to do a lesson and teach me this stuff, man. This is beautiful stuff. So I see the 37 here. That looks strong. Is that 37 here a push back? Are we pushing back here? You can see 688 here on the same candle. Okay, CVDs curling over. Open interest. We're trying to hold this level here at 27,320. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We'll be looking at some alts. King D says one as well. King D says one as well. Where are we here? This is our short. Where's our stop loss? We always got to share a stop loss. 27,630. Okay. Right now, it ain't looking so good. I might close this. It ain't looking so good, friends. It ain't looking so good. Ooh-wee. Maybe we close it, maybe we don't. We're up $2, baby. Let's go. Monday morning trades. Dixie's going to roll over. Could be upside for Bitcoin. He doesn't use indicators. It's all about price action, baby. Red or green numbers is delta, but you can see the wick. Red dots within candles are liquidations. Ooh. Ain't nobody want to get liquidated. That's why we use good risk management, my friends. Compare this price action to the bottom at 15K. We'll have to see. Look at that volume, man. Aren't you guys happy that the price is just moving? Can we all just get an amen for the price actually moving? Amen. Amen. Okay. The price is moving, bro. This is amazing. We've been putting up with this volume BS for too long, okay? Look at this. I mean, weekend volume shockingly shite, right? But like even this, man, like look at this grind here. Through here, this was painful. Congratulations to every single one of you for sticking around through this shit, okay? Thank you. Thank you for sticking around, hanging out with me, man. You guys are top notch, bro. You guys are top notch. Nothing better. Look at this. I take my $50 and run. Should I take my $50 and run? What do you guys think? Take the $50 and run? I need to know, man. I need to know. Oh, no. We up 80. Dump it, baby. Where are we going, man? We can close this out. Yeah? Oof. I don't know. Maybe I just take the money and run. What do you guys think? Take the money and run. Market opens 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Market opens. Oof. Market opens 10 minutes. We'll have to wait and find out. I'm very grateful for everybody here sticking by me, hanging out in the Discord. Join the free Discord, man. Links in the description. Trading light chart, X-ray vision. Okay. Spot sell at wall 2,500. Just take it and run. You got to take it and run. You know what? I think we do. I think we take it. Let's bring it back over here. Let's close it. If it gets to, let's close it by 100%. Let's close it at 250. Nah, let's go 220. $200. $200. 218. 18's my number. Okay, 18. Confirm. If we get down to 218, it's closed. Okay. Let's close this together, my friends. Let's close this together. Where's the fibs pulled? Let's pull the fibs from here to here. We got to go to we got to come higher. We got to come up to we got to come a bit higher here. Let's come up just above the golden pocket here. That's the one. That's where we're taking profits. See? Just a quick little trade. Quick little trade. Pay the piper. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Are we going to get there? That's the question, my friends. Are we going to get there? Market's opening in less than 9 minutes. Okay. For this week, I want to bring to your attention that we have Canadian inflation rate, okay? I know this isn't important. We're not doing Canadian inflation rate, okay? We're saying there's inflation rate for Canada, but we got building permits, which is much more important, coming tomorrow, okay? We got some meeting minutes from Australia. Might move us. Big deal is obviously the FOMC press conference, in my opinion. The inflation rate, we know what the inflation rate is. If we go over here, we go to the watch tool. Okay, we got 99%, man. We're going to stay flat. Okay, we're not hiking. Okay, we're going to stay flat. So we shouldn't see too much of a jump or a bounce with the price action on the markets. So be aware of that. But this press conference, I think, and this projections and these kind of things, the more they talk, the more shit happens now, right? Because we're all anticipating, where are we going? Soft landing, hard landing, right? So it should be an interesting week nonetheless. And obviously we'll be here with you, watching the price action. Now we're pumping. Look, we're losing. We should have just taken it, right? We should have just taken it. Gonna degen short again. Take the money and run. Take the money and boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Dump it, man. Dump it. So we had some trade setups given in advance. Okay. These were pretty cool. I mean, I added everybody when Adam got to this level, okay? I added them in our Discord. Okay. This trade setup was given in advance. I added everybody and it went from here to here. And this was early, okay? This was early. Now let's go over to the Discord. Let's go to my TA setups, right? Possible short on Adam. Okay, look where the price was, okay? Look where the price was. My friends, join us in the Discord, man. You would have had this short. You would have made bank, okay? You would have made bank. So, yeah, it didn't play out, but the signal was given here. You had multiple chances to grab this beautiful profit down here, okay? It may have not gone all the way, but that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That is 5% move. That's some juicy profits, okay? Yeah, it did pump up, but if you paid yourself early, you put your stop loss at entry, you would have been great, right? Okay, so I'm just saying, it's up to you if you want to join us in the free Discord. Hang out here, subscribe. Same with the Casper trade, okay? Right at the peak, same thing. Now we've popped back up, but you would have still been in profit right now. So Casper was given an advance too. Look at this. Entry, baby. Let's go, baby. Okay? So, join us. Hang out with us. We're giving everything away for free because, I mean, why not? Givers gain, man. I know that you guys appreciate it. We try to get you guys all the goods on a daily basis here. Trying to make sure that you guys are profitable, using good risk management, a healthy mindset. Okay? So, join us. Look at this. Where's the green? Okay? The green has disappeared recently. We got market open coming at you in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay? So we got some things to watch. If there's anything you guys would like me to look at. Took it and now still in a long. Let's go raggedy. Crypto Mike, he took it. Shout out to you, Crypto Mike. Thank you so much for being here. It's good to see new faces here. I appreciate you, my man. So we are in a short right now. We are $91 in profit. Some of you guys are saying take it. I'm not convinced, man. I'm not convinced yet. I think we can come lower. Let's be patient. Maybe we get wrecked. Maybe we should pay ourselves. We're in an uptrend. Some are saying, Alex, crypto, why are you shorting the pump, man? Why are you shorting the pump? Market's about to open. You're gonna get wrecked. That's why we use stop loss. We will come lower for sure, says Darren Does Things. My man, he's a believer. I love it. Make sure you guys got your coffee ready for this open. It's Monday morning. We got 8 likes in here. We have a great community. We're hanging out. We're making sure that we sharing everything, giving the trade setups in advance. Now, one thing I did notice is the weekend volume. Okay, when we go to the weekly as well, I know the weekly is like, it's the weekly, whatever. But the volume has finally picked up, okay? We were at this low here, going through that sideways action. You can see how low it is here. We weren't that low for quite some time. So we can see volume has picked up, which is nice to finally see, okay? So I like looking at the volume and getting an idea of how much interest. It's like open interest. It's very similar to that. How much interest is in the markets, right? Now we can use coinalyze.net here. Now, we can see a bit of a divergence here. We can see lower lows, higher highs, price action moving up, okay? So that's very obvious. Open interest is curving down. I always go to the OE, okay? The OE is the OG. So if we're curving down on the open interest, that means, to me, that somebody's up top here shorting the market, okay? That's what it says to me. Higher highs, lower lows. Price action coming up, but it's failing to make a higher high, okay? Okay. So whichever way the divergence is on the open interest, I tend to follow, okay? So if this is going up and this is going down, we're looking for higher prices, okay? But this is going down, and this is going up. We're looking for lower prices because the price action's moving the same way, okay? Looks to me someone's up here shorting the market. Look at that, okay? Another trick in the book. Sharing all the tricks today, man. We're sharing all the tricks today. We're sharing all the tricks today. We're at $150 in profit here. Should we take the trade? Should we close the trade? That is the question, man. That is the question. Short squeeze. Open interest down, CVD up. Short squeeze, baby. Whoo. 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 So OE up, CVD down, short squeeze. What about OE down and CVD up? Oh, yeah, that's what you said. That's what you said. Short squeeze. Yeah, my man. Love you, DDT. DDT dropping bombs into this place. DDT, my man. My man. I appreciate you guys. Here we go. Market's opening. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Market's opening. So, we open up pretty even here. This is pretty good. Okay, we open up pretty even. Dixie. Dixie's curling over. Could we pump up? Good question. Good question. We in this short, man. We're looking for it to come back down to this area here, 28,000 or 26,850. All right. We're looking for something like this. Because this, to me, does not look healthy. We were saying this earlier. This does not look healthy. This move up. Okay. If we go to the 12-hour. This, to me, looks very unhealthy. We want to see healthy market structure. Bitcoin getting rejected. Going over the 12-minute. Let's take a look. Let's see what we can see, my friends. Pushing through the 9 EMA, coming down to the 21 possibly. Coming down to the 21. Now we have a golden pocket right here, so maybe we see something like this. Okay, continuation. Let's go into the nitty-gritty. Let's see what we're looking at. The nitty-gritty. Push back up, okay? So this is how I look at it right here. We got a double top M formation. We got to push back down. We haven't come down to the golden pocket just yet, which is in line with this beautiful 55 EMA. We are in a short right now. We have had a massive move up. Okay, that's the thing. We've had a massive move up. If we pull a swing, so we could come back up. You know, we could come back up here to our entry. We come back up to our entry and then, right? Many possibilities right now. We're having a little bit of a push here on BTC. Market's opening. Okay. Let's go over the S&P. The S&P is pushing back up a little bit. Dixie is curling over. Okay. So let's go over the 15. Let's check out. Okay. Very choppy sideways action here for the Dixie. Bull flag. That's like plain as ever. Plain as ever. Bull flag. This typically wants to go up, man. This typically wants to go up. If it goes up, Bitcoin typically goes down, okay? We're going to push up here from the Bitcoin. Push up. We're looking for something, some rejection here. So, what do? We pull the fib from here to here. We look for the rejection. Okay? We could get a rejection off the moving averages. Let's go to the 5. The 5 is more indicative. So, push back up. The short is here. Targeting the lows. At least. Let's go. Let's go. Massive push up here. Hope you guys caught this long. Have paid yourselves. Doing well. Got the coffee. Ready for some price action. Ready for a day of trading. Getting ready to pay yourselves. Manage your risk. Healthy mindset. Oh, man. All the good stuff, man. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. Beer back. Get in the coffee quick. Looks very healthy to me. Looks very healthy to me. I love you, David. My man. Go check out Lunar Beach's crypto. He's a great guy. Family man. Doing the thing, you know. Doing the thing. Make sure to support your local crypto traders, okay? Giving away stuff for free, having a Discord, trying their best, working a job. These are the guys you want to follow. These are the guys you want to support. Make sure they're coming home tired after a hard day's work, and they're coming in and giving you the TA. I know what it's like. I was doing the same thing. You know, I'm off right now. Haven't gone back to work, and I don't know if I am until the spring because Canada winters are cold. and we're turning a nice profit here. Recently, trading's been good to us, so the goal is to be completely self-sufficient, trading, making profit. So we're doing well. We're not going to jump the boat. We're doing well. We've grabbed some nice bags along the way here, so got to continue to pay ourselves and see where it takes us, right? Got to roll the dice. Got to roll the dice. S&P pushing up here. Looks pretty healthy, like you're saying, David. You could be right. You could be right, my friend. My friend. It's pushing back up. It's pushing back up. We got people dropping off. They're probably going to watch Gareth Soloway or Investment Bros. There's a lot of good guys coming on at this time in the morning, so I appreciate everybody who does come on, says hello, checks out the video. We trading live, trying to make that profit today. Keep the doctor away. That's the one, right? That's the one. Davey, where are you working today, bro? You must be working. You must be working. I should have waited for this entry up here. That's all right. We'll see where it goes. Massive move to the upside, man. That's awesome. Look at this. Choppity chop chop along the way. Respected. 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 We got a couple stops, so make sure we know that our main stop is this 28,000 area. Main stop's this 28,000 area. But we want to see market structure be healthy. It's pushing hard. I'm not a big fan of this. I want to see this come back and push back up. Continuation. Healthy continuation. Dixie's flagging, man. Dixie's flagging. Pushing up. Okay. S&P's pushing up a little bit here. The whole market is up around 3%. That is wild overnight. Wild, man. Wild. I love price. I love how much this has moved. So it's good to see volume coming back, man. It's good to see volume coming back. It's good to see volume coming back. Overall market. Could this be the last retrace here? Could this have been our last opportunity before we get a massive move to the upside? Some people think so. Some people think we're going all the way to 40 plus K. That would be wild. That would be wild. I'm ready for it, man. I don't got no FOMO. I'm just looking to trade the range, pay myself early, in and out. I'm okay with that. Working, slaving every day. That's the one, man. I feel you. I feel you. I can relate. I can relate. I'm trying to escape this matrix. However we can. Down and to the right, says the otter. We pull some volume over here. We know where the stops are, don't we? We know where the stops are. We know the big dirty resistance above us, so we know about this area up here. Woo-wee. We know about this area. Are we going to come knock on the door again? That is the question. We're at 27,304. Looking to continue this push up, okay? If this is right and this low is lower than this low here, are we just doing some sort of continuation back down to this 20,000 area? That's another thing that's on my mind. Are we just coming back here to this? Right? We got a bear case. Of course we got the bear case. We're the bear channel, man. The bear channel. Right? Must hold this level. It held this level. We got levels below us. But right now we pumping, baby. We pumping. We pumping. So we'll hide the bear case. We'll remain humble. And we'll continue to trade the ranges, man, and let those trades run after. I forgot to let the trade run last night. Should have let it run. I was in the long. But we continue to practice and pay ourselves, right? We're in the long at 26,415. 283 now. Let's go into the price action. Let's see what's going on. Hope you guys are all having a blessed Monday morning. I know Mondays can suck, but with us, they're all right. We got some votes. It's 50-50 travel the world for free and 10 BTC. Seems like the community likes that money. So we'll continue to talk about that money. We said we could possibly get a rejection here off the golden pocket. Let's take a look. No golden pocket as of yet. Okay. We are getting rejected back down. Looks like a continuation. I'm going to pay myself right now. I'm going to get out of this trade. Here we go. Golden pocket, baby. Hit it. There it is. We're paid. We're paid for the day. The crowd goes wild. We're paid for the day. Okay? We've made our bank. Closed P&L, baby. $172 profit. $172 profit for the day. Congratulations. Right? Congratulations. That's how it's done. Having a level, having a plan, having an idea, good risk management. All that good stuff. Now we can go and spend time with the family. Go and spend some time with the family. We could be going lower here, but we've paid ourselves today. Trade's closed. Trade's closed. Coming back, retesting that beautiful support now. This is support. Look, bouncing back up from the support. We could have longed here. We could have flipped it, but we paid today. We paid today. And I'm sure there's more to this trade, right? But for me right now, I'm happy with that. I'm happy. I woke up on a Monday morning. I made $170. Put in the bank, right? Put it in the bank. Watch it drop like it's hot now, and we could have made a lot more, but that's okay. That's okay. We had a plan. We executed the plan. We've paid ourselves. We've paid ourselves. So if you're enjoying this content, you enjoy the transparency, make sure to give us a sub, like this video, get it out to more people. We hope to grow the Otter Gang community. We hope to. We continue to show up for you guys, and thank you guys so much for showing up for me. I really appreciate you guys. We've had a massive pump, right? Dixie's flagging to the upside, okay? S&P looks like it's rolling over. Can we get rejected from here? We'll have to wait and see. We've paid ourselves for the day, and that's enough out of me. That's enough out of me today. I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Today I plan on going golfing. I'll send some pictures. I'm going to the driving range. Play some whack fuck, as we call it. Whack fuck. Look, we paid ourselves at the perfect time. We paid ourselves pumping back up. So we could roll over here. Money flow is thick. We're getting a little bit of a cool down, a push back here, right? If we are looking for longs, down here would be the way. But if you want to be more degen, we can pull some fibs from here. We can look for a long from here. Golden pocket, Fibonacci area. We can have a plan of attack from here. Okay. We can have a plan of attack from here if we want a long. There's multiple ways. Just make sure you have a plan. Make sure you're using good risk management. My friends, I will see you guys in the Discord. I will be around. Much love to every single one of you. God bless you. Have a great week. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, and I'll be in the Discord. Shout out to every single one of you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for coming by, David. I love you, brother. I love you, Darren Does Things. I love you, French Toaster. I love you, Raggedy Crypto Mike. I love you all. King D as well. I see you. You guys are all here. Thank you for your support. God bless every single one of you, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.